Okay, here's a question for you. What do investors want? Why is it they're willing to go out and risk their money on investments? What is it that they're hoping to get out of the deal? What does the deal offer that makes it worth risking their money on? Most people would probably say that their goal is to simply make money. But the goal is a bit more specific than that. What an investor wants when they go out and risk their money on investments is a good return on investment. Now, what is a return on investment? Okay, so a return on investment is the amount of money that will be returned in a given time frame. So in other words, if I invest my money, how much will be returned and how quickly will it be returned back to me? So let's look at return on investment using an example. Say that we have a stock priced at $100 and the yield is 8%. What that is basically saying is that after 1 year, we will have 8% of our money returned from the $100. In other words, we will collect $8 in dividends. But here's the thing. Those dividends are going to be paid out quarterly. So every 3 months, we'll get $2 in dividends. So what does that mean? So what that means is that after every 3 months, 2% of our money will be returned to us. Okay, so let's take a look at how our return on investment can affect our investment decisions. Here are two investment opportunities you have. You can either invest $60 and get 5% a year, or you could either invest $100 and get 10% a year. Now, which one of these do you think is the better deal? Keep in mind that our goal is to get the most amount of money back in the quickest amount of time. Given these two options, I'd rather invest $100 and get 10% back a year. And here's why I would do that. With the $60 investment, I'm getting $3 back a year. So it's going to take me 20 years before I recoup my full investment. Whereas with the $100 investment, it'll just take me 10 years to recoup all my money. So what lessons can we take away from this? I think the lesson we can learn is that in investing, value is much more important than price. We could have saved $40 by going with the $60 investment, but that would have taken us 10 more years to recoup the amount of money we had invested. So in the world of investing, the deal itself is more important than the price. I would also like to point out how this connects to my time versus money video. The wealthy understand that time is more important than money.